Good day. My client showed me a questions lately, and this questions show newly recruit and resignation reports using PivotTable for month to month. Month will be sorted in ascending order. Ascending order. So, and she just showed me a questions, right? She do her work, and this is why she knows she used the text and to extract the month and year from the date join columns, and then she able to create a pivot table. We'll delete some rows. Later we see why I do that. So that's the one, right? Now her question is that she's able to drag the respective columns, right? For example, to find out the type of the destination type of the staff on the row parts, and then the month, which is um, user defined columns, right? It's just extractions of the month part and the year part from the date join, and drag it to the column labels, and as well as the month, right? Use the month, drag it to the value labels. That's work fine, but there's one thing that she wants to know is that how the month will be sorted in ascending order. So we basically do a right click or do a sorting, but this doesn't work on this case. I will explain why. But you can do a sort, exact, sort, more sort options. Click on that. Um, um, you don't have that kind of manual, so we use more options. Here, origin is unchecked, so just make sure check. First key also, so you can find out that this is January, February, March. Even we do that, we couldn't. Drag items of month fields participating. And click OK. So let's click OK. Let's click OK, right? See what happens. And click OK again, right? You notice that it is not sorted. So why is that so? Because this column months, right? It's not a date field at all. It's just a text. Excel wouldn't able to sort a text field by months order. So here's what we create another one. Click on one of the cell in the use range, then press alternate and repeat. Brings you to the create pivot table. Click existing worksheets, click locations. Just pick up nice location. Click OK. Here we got a pivot table structures. But notice when I select name, it will give a pivot cannot overlap, right? That's because we have a pivot table underneath. So what you can do is insert multiple columns, rows. See, right? Next, we'll select name. That's okay, right? But that's what you want to just use destination to do. And instead of using months, we use dates and we'll put it to the columns. And we use the destination again, right? Or the months. No, we use the name to the value. Names, put it to the values field, and here we got for that's because earlier on I already do some sorting, right? Some grouping. Let's go to group. At first, you need to use that groupings, months, years. And make sure this is done. Then it will show up. Just column with just do some sorting. Let's just column. So now you know that there's January, February, March, April, May, and just because we can do a grouping, it would be originally something like this, but in grouping. So I see you in the next video. Thank you. This is Kevin.